Breath. Breath is what keeps you alive. You only blink when you're awake, but you breathe when you're asleep too. Anything that causes obstruction in the flow of your breath is an obstruction to your life. Whether it's a simple cough, asthma, chest congestion, bronchitis, or other problems. But if you have the multi-purpose K&H cough-free Bro Expectorant from Guaifenesin, you have nothing to worry about. Composed of Bromhexine, Guaifenesin, Menthol, and Terbutaline, K&H cough-free Bro Expectorant will ensure optimum respiratory health. Bromhexine is a mucolytic agent used in the treatment of respiratory disorders associated with viscid or excessive mucus. Guaifenesin helps bring up phlegm from the airways during acute respiratory tract infections. Terbutaline is used as a reliever inhaler in the management of asthma and other symptoms. Menthol is used to relieve minor throat irritation. K&H cough-free Bro Expectorant works by increasing the viscid or excessive mucus in the respiratory tract, thus making the phlegm thinner, temporarily relieving minor pain, relaxing and opening the airways, reducing the phlegm in the air passages, thereby ensuring optimum respiratory health.